your eyewitness weather forecast.
Check out this time lapse from early this morning. We had the full harvest moon last night, and if you look at the top left corner here, you'll see that moon setting this morning just as the sun started to rise. Did disappear behind the clouds there earlier on in the morning, but that was a beautiful harvest moon we had last night. Nearly full again tonight. You may be able to catch it in a couple of breaks in the clouds. Right now we are very mild for our last evening of summer, 71 degrees at this moment, and we have a nice light breeze out of the southeast, 6 miles an hour. Tonight's going to be very mild as far as a night in September goes. Our lows only in the upper 50s to lower 60s, and we'll stay a little bit breezy overnight, and then warmer air will surge in for tomorrow. So tomorrow afternoon may even get a little bit warmer than we got this afternoon. We're looking at 73 in Old Forge tomorrow, 77 in Utica, 79 in Ilion in the afternoon. So still running well above normal tomorrow, even though it is technically our first day of fall. Tomorrow the autumnal equinox happens technically in the afternoon at 3:21 p.m. and you'll see our sun rising here 6:45 in the morning. Sun sets now before 7 p.m. unfortunately, but that's nothing compared to on the winter solstice, our sunset before 4:30. So fall officially kicks off for us tomorrow afternoon. Now on the futurecast tonight, you'll see as we roll it forward, we're pretty quiet. Skies are mostly cloudy, very small chance for a stray shower or two, and that'll be the same story for tomorrow. You'll see a couple of scattered showers here on the futurecast. Clouds in, but some breaks of sunshine from time to time, and the occasional scattered shower still possible during the night tomorrow night and into the day on Thursday. Now Thursday's rain, still highly uncertain of when the heavy rain will arrive, but you'll see on the futurecast here 5 p.m. looks like that'll be out towards the Syracuse area and very, very slowly moving towards central New York. So the rain might actually hold off until Thursday night, but we're expecting 1 to 3 inches once that band of heavy rain does move through by Friday morning. So we'll be watching that closely for any flood issues that could develop. Tonight we're nice and quiet, very small chance of a stray shower, and mild. Our low temperature only 62. That's more like an afternoon this time of year. Tomorrow still unseasonably warm at 77 degrees. Will be very breezy out of the southeast there, and we'll see just the occasional scattered showers. A fairly quiet day tomorrow. Same with Thursday. That rain showing up likely late in the day or even on Thursday night. We pretty mild ahead of the rain, mid-70s, but then we're in the 60s for Friday, and that's about where we should be for this time of year, mid to upper 60s. We may see a few showers lingering Friday morning, but we'll be really nice in the afternoon and evening. Saturday looks like a beautiful fall day, low 70s in the afternoon. Clouds will be increasing later in the day, and it is looking like a pop-up shower or two Sunday and early next week, but we stay very, very seasonable temperatures in the 60s. So fall is arriving, you know, just a couple of days late for us this year. But as we just saw with Dan's recap, we've had a lot of excitement over the past several months. And that's how it is here in central New York.
It's almost time to break out those sweaters.
It's coming very, very soon. I know. I don't want to think about it.
Thanks, Colleen. There's more eyewitness news coming up.
This news. Now, your eyewitness weather forecast.
A really nice day today. You can see that here on the time lapse. We have partly to mostly cloudy skies, but plenty of sunshine breaking through, and temperatures got into the mid to upper 70s this afternoon. You can also, at the beginning of this loop, see the moon setting just as the sun is about to rise earlier on this morning. Now, we're still very mild out there. For a night in September, we are at 66 degrees. That's more like an afternoon high temperature for this time of year, and we'll stay pretty mild overnight tonight. We've got a good breeze, 8 miles an hour. When the air is mixed like that, it tends to stay warmer than it would otherwise, and we've got even warmer air moving in for tomorrow. So our lows are only in the upper 50s and low 60s overnight tonight, 61 in Oneonta, 62 in Utica. So we'll have really high baseline to start warming from tomorrow. We'll get a little bit warmer than we did today, 74 in Old Forge in the afternoon, 77 in Utica, 80 in Ilion. So still running very unseasonably warm tomorrow, feeling more like August than late September, but tomorrow will be the official start of fall, and it's the autumnal equinox happening tomorrow at exactly 3:21 p.m. when the sun crosses the equator into the southern hemisphere, and we will see our sun setting before 7 p.m. now. Not until March will we see it setting after 7 p.m. Days getting shorter and shorter here, but compared to our solstice sunset time, 4:28 p.m., 6:59, not too bad. Now, you'll see on the futurecast tonight, we've got a nice quiet night ahead. Skies stay mostly cloudy, but we stay dry. It's tomorrow when we start to see a few scattered showers coming through. Plenty of time will be dry and quiet tomorrow, maybe even some sunshine breaking through, but we will have that chance for a shower. So you'll want the rain jacket just in case. Still dealing with the occasional spotty shower overnight tomorrow night. And then Thursday, it's going to be a waiting game. We'll be pretty quiet here. You'll see actually pretty sunny at times during the day on Thursday, but look at the heavy rain that is just off to the west. We'll be watching that on the radar as it slowly moves to the east, and it looks like this will be moving through for us overnight Thursday night and into the morning hours on Friday. And this is expected to be a decently heavy rain, so 1 to 3 inches possible by Friday morning. After this moves through, though, you can see that skies will be clearing out and we'll have some really nice, dry, crisp fall weather coming in behind it. So tonight, pretty quiet, very small chance of a stray shower, but mostly cloudy down to 62. Tomorrow, very mild in the mid-70s. Still unusual for this time of year. It'll be breezy tomorrow as well, and we'll see the occasional scattered shower. Thursday will be pretty quiet, awaiting the rain coming in, but we could still see a shower or two. Heavy rain arrives Thursday night and could linger into Friday morning, but by Friday afternoon, it looks like we will see conditions improving. The sun coming out, hopefully, to end the week, and we have that fall weather in place. So highs only in the 60s Friday, low 70s on Saturday, nice and comfortable, and what we would expect to see for the last part of September and into early October. That trend continues into next week, it looks like.
Awesome. Thanks, Colleen. Still to come tonight on Eyewitness News. First at 10, Sports Director David Edelstein has a look at the latest in local sports. That's coming up.
Your Eyewitness Weather Forecast.
Nice and warm for us again today, definitely running above normal still. And we enjoyed mostly cloudy skies, but keeping it interesting with all kinds of cirrus and cumulus and stratus coming through off and on throughout the day today. We were nice and mild, mid to upper 70s at our highest point this afternoon, and we are still mild at this hour. I mean, it is 65 degrees outside, 11:12 p.m. here in late September. Definitely abnormal for us, and it's breezy enough outside right now, 8 miles an hour out of the east. That's breezy enough to keep it warm overnight. That air staying mixed, staying warm, so our lows are only in the upper 50s in the North Country to low 60s for the rest of us. 60 in Oneonta tonight, 61 in Ilion, so a very high baseline to start warming from tomorrow. And we'll get a little bit warmer than we did today because of that. 73 in Old Forge, 77 in Utica, 80 in Ilion tomorrow. Believe it or not, we're nowhere near a record high for this point in the month. That would be about in the mid-80s, but 76 in Oneonta and Cooperstown tomorrow afternoon. Nice and mild, and we will still have the start of fall happening tomorrow, even though the temperatures are going to be a little bit delayed. The equinox happens at exactly 3:21 p.m. tomorrow afternoon. Sun setting now before 7 p.m. unfortunately, but if it makes you feel any better, by the winter solstice, it's setting before 4:30, so still quite a ways to go. You're noticing that change though here in the daylight, getting more and more each day. Now the futurecast tonight, you'll see as we roll it forward, will be pretty quiet, mostly cloudy, very small chance of a little stray shower coming in, but that'll be same story for tomorrow morning. And then we've got a couple of scattered showers here in the afternoon. You can see the rain heavier off to the west. Couple of showers, we'll see some clouds, some peaks of sunshine tomorrow as well. A pretty quiet day, and the same will go for tomorrow night. Shower or two on the cloudy side, and that trend continues on Thursday. Now Thursday, it looks like the rain holding off later and later now, so we'll actually see some good sunshine in here Thursday afternoon. It's going to be quite warm and humid there as well, so still feeling like summer Thursday, but you'll see the rain here on the futurecast in the evening. This is going to be very slow to move through, but it'll move through overnight Thursday night, might linger a little bit into Friday morning, and it's looking like 1 to 3 inches of rain, so that'll be a good soaker Thursday night, and we'll have to watch for any minor flooding that may develop. Right now the threat looks pretty low there. So tonight we're down to the lower 60s, quiet, mostly cloudy, small chance of a stray shower. Tomorrow just a couple of scattered showers, but plenty of quiet time in between. We'll be mild at 77 and breezy again tomorrow. Quite windy overnight tomorrow night and into Thursday as well, but we'll be nice and warm there, mid 70s, cooling down to the mid 50s. 50s on Thursday night, and then 60s for Friday. Now, Friday may start off a little bit warm and muggy with a few showers lingering, but later in the day, you'll feel that rush of brisk fall air coming in. It's going to feel really nice. 60s in the afternoon, low 70s for Saturday, which is still shaping up to be a really, really nice early fall weekend day for us. We'll be cooling off nicely at night into the 40s and low 50s, and that trend continues into next week, 60s. So that's what we should be seeing. Just 2 more days here of the heat until we're back to normal.
Awesome. Thanks, Colleen. There's more Eyewitness News coming up after the break. Stay with us.